Clean up your toys. Clean up your toys. Brush your teeth now. Brush your teeth now. Eat your vegetables, please. Eat your vegetables, please. Wash your hands properly. Wash your hands properly. Listen to your teacher. Listen to your teacher. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Finish your homework first. Finish your homework first. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Be kind to others. Be kind to others. Sit down and listen. Sit down and listen. Say sorry to him. Say sorry to him. Stand up and clap. Stand up and clap. Open your book now. Open your book now. Write your name here. Write your name here. Raise your hand first. Raise your hand first. Stop running right now. Stop running right now. Share your toys nicely. Share your toys nicely. Hold my hand tightly. Hold my hand tightly. Pick up your toys. Pick up your toys. Look at the board. Look at the board. Speak in a whisper. Speak in a whisper. Wait for your turn. Wait for your turn. Drink your water daily. Drink your water daily. Help your little brother. Help your little brother. Tell me a story. Tell me a story. Say hello to everyone. Say hello to everyone. Fold your clothes nicely. Fold your clothes nicely. Be happy and smile. Be happy and smile. Count to 10 quickly. Count to 10 quickly. Keep your house clean. Keep your house clean. Hold the scissors carefully. Hold the scissors carefully. Say thank you always. Say thank you always. Jump as high possible. Jump as high possible. Help to clean the table. Help to clean the table. Let's watch movie. Let's watch movie. It's time for breakfast. It's time for breakfast. I need to buy groceries. I need to buy groceries. I am feeling very tired. I am feeling very tired. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Sorry, I am late. Sorry, I am late. I won the match. I won the match. Close the door gently. Close the door gently. Listen to your parents. Listen to your parents.